This is a 1.65 pound box of reindeer moss. I was sent this to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, it would cost you $25. They have not paid me for my review, and so my opinions remain my own. And that is full of preserved reindeer moss that's colored light green, so this is kind of dyed already for you. And so this is useful for making trees and foliage for certain scale models, which is what I kind of plan on doing with this, is adding a little bit of foliage to some dioramas and some models. This little guy here can use some foliage. I'm thinking kind of in the back there and down in this crack next to those stairs. I think, the green's a little bright, but we're going to have to paint that to a different color. I'm also going to have to chop it down to be kind of the right size for these areas. Alright, so I'm thinking something kind of that size. And then a little dense bush for the back here. A little bit of transparent burnt umber, and these guys are now dead bushes. I didn't want them to look completely dead, so I've rinsed them off in a little bit of clean water so that just a tiny bit of that green shows through. Alright, just held those in for a couple of minutes, and they're bonded enough to hold their own weight. Obviously I'm not going to yank on them for 12 to 24 hours here to let it dry. So there's that moss in the model, and then this one here in the back.